Patterns in algebra. Okay, our example is about toothpick and a square. We may not have a toothpick, but we're going to use our pencil or pen. Now, make a square using 4 toothpicks. So 1 toothpick, 2 toothpick, this is the third, this is the fourth. So how many toothpicks did we use with this one? So it's 4. Now you got to make the second square and you have to attach it. Let me do first the first and then make the second and attach it to the first square. So this is the 5th, the 6th, and then the 7th. So again, how many toothpicks have we used? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now for the next, the third square, and you have to attach it to the second. So let's draw first our first 2 square and then connect again 1, 2, 3. How many squares do we have now? 3. And then how many toothpicks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, the last one. So you have to create the fourth toothpick. The fourth square. So 1, 2, 3, and then do the fourth, so add another 3. So we have 4 squares. How many toothpicks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now look at these numbers. 4, 7, 10, 13. How many numbers you added for 4 to get 7? So that's 3. How many numbers you added from 7 to 10? Also 3. How many numbers you added from 10 to 13? It's also 3. Therefore, this is the difference. The formula for the arithmetic sequence is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. D is the difference. We already have the d, which is 3, the difference between the two successive terms, and then the a sub 1 means the first term. What is our first term? 4. Okay, so now let's go with the table. With this one, so the number of squares we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, with the first square, how many toothpicks did we use? 4. With the second, how many toothpicks? 7. And then with the third, how many toothpicks? 10. With the fourth, how many toothpicks? 13. So as I have said again, the difference is 3. So this is your difference. The difference between 7 and 10 is also 3. Difference between 13 and 10 is also 3. So what do you think happens? You add 3. So this is now 16, 19, 22, 25, and then 28. So this is your 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, and then 9th term. Okay, now, does the figure show pattern? Yes. Why? Because you see that the difference is the same all throughout. So what is the first term? 4. What is the difference again? 3. Now, we have to write the equation. Remember, the formula again is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus parenthesis n minus 1 times d. So we just substitute. If it is equation, you just got to change the a sub 1 and then the d. So again, a sub n is equal to, what is our a sub 1? It's 4 plus still n minus 1. We don't know yet what we're looking for, right? So, and then the d is 3. This is the equation. Now, how do we apply that one? If you were asked to find the 8th term, and we know we already have the 8th term, but we have to prove it by solving. So, the 8 is now your n. Okay? What is our a sub 1? A sub 1 is equal to 4. Now, let's substitute to the formula. So, this is a sub 8 8, remember, is the n, is equal to 4 is the first term, plus, what is our n again? 8 minus 1 times 3. Let's now compute, bring down 4, plus 8 minus 1. That is 7. Okay, times 3. Now bring down again the 4 plus 7 times 3. 21. Now what is the next? 21 plus 4 is 25. Do we have the same answer? Yes. Can you see that? We have the same answer.